Welcome to Next NCLEX. Thank you for joining this channel and deciding to watch this video. This is just a testimony from one of my students. She passed the NCLEX and very, very amazing. You have to hear the story. And this is an audio and very, very impressive. No matter how difficult the test is, you just have to have a place where you can get a good content and feel confident and go through the test without any problem. Listen to what she has to say. So this is a message for you. Nine cases, 3 to 4 standalone cases, 4 highlighted cases, and 50 SATA. What did she say? I had about 50 SATA questions. She was so confident. She doesn't care no matter what they bring to her. She said, I got this. I got this. I'm going to face you, the NCLEX. And that's the confidence you should develop when you take this test. 50 SATA questions. And she never panicked. She stood her ground and faced whatever they have for her. 9 cases, 3 to 4 standalone, and 3 highlighted cases. So basically, she got like almost like 15, 16 questions. Very impressive. So listen to it.
Hello, my name is Victoria. I just want everybody to know that I passed my NCLEX RN last week on April 26th. I took the test on the 24th and the result came out on the 26th that I passed. I had 150 questions. 150 questions. I took the whole test. And what really helped me was Adapt NCLEX. Adapt NCLEX is very tall. He is very tall. The content, how to answer questions, the new generation questions, select out apply question, he will give you the confidence, the boldness you need to take the test. So all you just have to do is subscribe to his YouTube channel, Adapt NCLEX. It's also on Facebook and Instagram. And all you just have to do is join his live section also on Saturday at 3 o'clock. He is very tall. He is very tall. How to answer question. He's got that. He will break down those questions and in a way that you will understand it. And also about the select all that applies. I kid you not, I get about 50 of those, at least 50 of the SATA, the select all that apply. And all I kept remembering what him telling us, even if you're only confident of one out of the 5 or 6 or 4 options given to you, just pick the one. And that really helped me. Even if I only knew just one of the question or just one of the answer, and I wasn't sure of anything else, I didn't pick it. It was very, very tall. And I had 9 case studies. 9 case studies. And I just remember, how he had told us, how he had explained to us and break it down and how to answer those new generation questions, how to be comfortable with it, how to, be patient, how to take our time to read those questions backward. You need to join his live section and join him on Facebook, Instagram, Adapt Nursing, Adapt NCLEX. Adapt NCLEX is also on YouTube. Please join his YouTube channel, Adapt NCLEX. You will not be disappointed. Again, I want to say thank you to Doc for helping me achieve this. Thank you so much.
You had it. Good luck and never stop charging. Bye-bye.